In this exercise, we'll estimate by rounding. We're supposed to estimate the sum of these two numbers by first rounding to the nearest hundred. This means to round each of the numbers separately and then add those rounded numbers to get an estimated sum. So we will estimate, first of all, we will round 23,649 to the nearest hundred. This rounded to the nearest hundred is 23,600. Then we will round 54,746 to the nearest hundred, and that is 54,700. And by writing out these rounded numbers, I am showing my work in this situation. Then I want to add these rounded numbers, and I get 78,300. This is the estimated sum.